In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, select Vibrate at the top in the middle. If you wish to, you can click on Sound next to Vibrate, and this way manage this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. When you're done, scroll down, click on Call Vibration, and adjust intensity of it thanks to this slider. You can also select one of those patterns by clicking on a perfect one, synchronized haptic feedback with ringtone, or disable it by hitting silent. When you're done, go back, choose notification vibration and do exactly the same, but for your notifications. Go back again, tap on System Vibration, and thanks to this slider, adjust intensity of System Vibration haptic feedback. You can also tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Then go back one more time, select vibration intensity and operate all of those sliders to adjust intensity for incoming calls vibrations, notifications, system options, and media. Last but not least, use this switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls to manage this option as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!